Hi, my name is Tracey Ah Boo and I'm Head of Department here at Dakaban for English, and I've been here since 2016. We're located Brisbane North and we're in a beautiful part of the city. We have about 1,100 students here at the moment. We came across Writer's Toolbox when a teacher had heard about it in service that other teachers had recommended and said it would change our lives. And so we sent a couple of teachers off to just see what it was all about. And when they returned, they could not stop raving about the program. And I was skeptical at first, I must admit. I've been teaching 36 years and peel paragraphs were my way of life. It's all I have ever known. Dr. Ian Hunter was saying to the group that by the end of the 2 days, he will have convinced us of the possibilities for writing that were available. He was right. By the end of that second day, I approached him and I said, "You actually are correct. You've changed the way that we all think about writing." When I first arrived at Dakaban, we did not have a writing program, but we were trying everything. Anything that was mentioned, we grabbed, we tried to use, but our results did not improve. So we were looking for that answer that was a school-wide program. And that's what we found in Writer's Toolbox. One of the main reasons that we wanted Writer's Toolbox in the school was to improve those NAPLAN results. And what we found was our Year 9s in particular, we would get into that space and they would not write a single word. We had about 15% of students with not one word. And it was so frustrating because we know that they can do it, but they didn't have the confidence to write. Writer's Toolbox has really changed that for us. And we have had the most amazing improvement last year with our results. We were so excited. And when I first arrived, our graph was like this, and then it started dipping down. Tried not to take it personally. And then with Writer's Toolbox, we have spiked. We have done a huge improvement. So there is much to celebrate, and we really believe that Writer's Toolbox is responsible for that. So I have those results here with our NAPLAN, and here was that really low spike for us. What's interesting is that 2019 group, they are now our Year 12 students. I believe that the writing program that they have been using since Year 9 has really allowed them to excel, particularly in English for their 8R. And we had 5 perfect IA2 persuasive results at our school, 25 out of 25. And we have never ever come close to those sort of results before. So our Year 12s are amazing. So they have gone from here and they are just excelling, and that is really exciting for us.